I'm Misty, and welcome to our kid video series where we come to create, imagine, and discover. So this is June, this is the month of June, and it's safety month. So all month our videos have had something to do with safety. So I'm going to do something, a craft that you can turn into a game that's super simple and you need very little materials for. So what I have is a pair of scissors, a pen. I'm actually using a cereal box as part of this, a green circle, like a green light, and a stop sign. You can use a painter's stir stick that you get from like Home Depot or Lowe's for free. This happens to be a yard sign I actually had on hand, so I'm using that. Some glue, you can use regular Elmer's glue or this is glue tape. And then I'm going to use a hot glue gun. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to need to do is gather your items to include printing out your green light and your stop sign. And this is going to be the essence of our craft today. This great craft and game is great for all ages. We're going to teach them the safety of a red stop sign or red light and a green light. So if you've ever played red light, green light when you were a kid, we always just shouted it out and everybody ran and we'd say red light and they'd stop. Well, this way, they're going to have their own little tool that's going to show a red stop sign and a green light. And this helps them when they're out in the world, crossing the street, or just hanging around, they're going to understand what these signs mean. So let's get started. Now, I've already kind of gotten started here where I cut the circle out for my green light out of the cereal box. So I opened up the cereal box. I found a dish that was about the size that I wanted. And I just traced a circle. This will not quite, it won't fit exactly your stop sign, so if you really wanted to be exact, you could stick your stop sign right on top of it and trace it out. This is just easier for me to go ahead and do this. All right, so our dish and our pen can go over there. We take our pair of scissors. You could use dull end scissors and let your 3 to 5-year-old cut this out so they can help with the craft. And it's always fun to make a craft that they're going to learn with. So we're going to take I have tape here, but you're going to use like glue or whatever adhesive you want. And I just kind of put it all over, makes it easier. Center my stop sign right on top of that. Press it down firmly. And you can see it doesn't completely cover, but it's pretty close. So the hot glue gun, this comes into play when we're going to stick it on here. Now this one already has a sticky side, but they're not super sticky for what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just put a bunch of glue. Remember, this is super hot, so you don't want your children necessarily handling this without you supervising. I'm going to stick it on and press it down. Hot glue dries relatively quickly, so that makes it easy to continue with your project. Okay, so now we have a stop sign, but we need the other part too. So we're going to go ahead and do the glue on this side. And I like lots of glue because I don't like it to come apart. And then we're going to stick this one right on there. Press it down on the stick. Now if you want a little bit of added security, we could add a dot of glue in here. Actually, I think that's pretty good for mine. So now you have a game where you can stop sign, or green for go. So this is a great way to teach your kids the safety of the roads. Thanks for being here today, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that little bell so you get notifications when we put up our new videos every Saturday. You'll have that. And also like us on Facebook so that you can follow us there and see what we're doing as a studio and what we're doing for our parents. Thanks again, and we'll see you later. Bye!